Yes? No? Wow. Did you see the question? Oh. Did you see the question, or did she tell it to you in her mind? Did you see it, or did she tell you? She told you. That's so cool. Do you know about other animals? Do you know that sign? Animals? Woof, woof. Dog. Woof, woof. Meow, meow. Have you seen other animals? Will, lots of other animals. You know? Other animals? First, can you talk other animals inside your mind? Yes, no. Are you serious? Is she being serious? Or she just want to bite me? Or maybe she's being kind because I told her to stop biting me, so she's biting my splint instead. If that's true, thank you. Is that true? Can you talk with, like, a dog? Woof! Woof! Moo! A cow? I forgot how to sign cow. Can you talk with them in your mind? Yeah? No. 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 How about... So only birds? Only birds. Right? Only birds? Or some others? Only birds. Okay. Cool. But all birds, right? Lots and lots of birds. Small birds, big birds. Yeah? No. No? I'm pretty. I'm pretty. Are there a few birds you can't talk with? Yeah or no? Yeah? Which ones? Do you know? I don't know how to ask which ones, huh? I have to get some pictures out. He's like, he said, Diego, can't talk to yourself. You're funny. You're funny. Okay, okay. I know they can talk to budgies. And I haven't tried them on anyone. Oh, lovebirds. How about Arby? Arby and Coco. Can you talk with them? Yes, no. No, really? Really can't? You know them, right? In your mind? Can you talk with them? Yes, no. Ouch. You changing your mind or you joking? Which? Change your mind? Joking. So wait. Let's start again. You know Arby and Coco? You remember them well? Yes? No? I can go get them. You can go get them. Or you remember them. You remember them? Or I'll go get them. You remember them. Okay. Can you talk to them in your mind? Yes? No? Yeah. Okay. So lovebirds. Lovebirds are okay. Lovebirds, budgies, conures. That's all we tried. So lovebirds, budgies, conures. All three we tried. Ken. Humans, no. If you could connect to me, you would see I love you. I'm thinking, oh, I love Diego. How can I help Diego? Oh. I'll go get him some better food. Oh. That's all I think about. It's the only thing. I promise. Okay. Well, what? What? You're screaming what this time? That usually means you have something else to say. I'll guess. If I could see... Oh, This means no inside your mind. The sign, this is the sign. Other sign, ESP. Your mind, my mind, your mind. Understand? Yeah? Okay. If I could see inside your mind, what would it say? What would it say? I'm hungry. Open the cage. I love you. What would it say? I want to know. Yes? Yes? Oh, that's nice. Mommy forgot to turn on the light. Yeah? Yeah. Cover it up, I'm cold. Yeah? Yeah. I would love it if I could you. That'd be wonderful. It's true. Oh, I know. Get out, JJ, get out. Right? What other thoughts you have? Okay. I'll push off. Video off.